Imagine if a cyber attack shut down a power grid, contaminated a city's water supply, or disrupted transportation networks. Hackers use phishing, zero-day exploits, and supply chain attacks to infiltrate industrial systems. A single breach can cause catastrophic failures. The 2010 Stuxnet attack proved that industrial networks are not immune. Today, threats have evolved, and the stakes are higher than ever. So how can we defend against these threats? Companies must implement network segmentation, regular software updates, employee training, intrusion detection systems, and zero-trust security. The future of industrial cybersecurity lies in AI-driven defense systems, blockchain security, and enhanced regulatory policies. Cyber threats are real, but with proactive security, we can protect our critical infrastructure and prevent digital disasters before they happen.